So our thoughts, we tend to have very perceived thoughts. Whatever is factual, whether it's factual or not, we just have the perceived thoughts of something that happened. When you're faced with an issue or something happened, you naturally interpret the situation according to how you think, which is a perceived thought, whether it's correct or not, right? And that perceived thoughts will cause your emotions to react. It's a feeling that occurs as a result of your thought. Then it leads to a certain behavior outcome, which is an action in response to the emotion. So let's, for example, look at this COVID-19 situation that we're in. And that is a problem that we're facing right now, right? So our thoughts on how can I protect myself and my loved ones? What happens if my loved ones gets infected? Oh, I have elderly parents because they are the vulnerable group. How do I protect them? And is this hospital here equipped enough? Or how do I get tested? Or which hospital is able to treat COVID patients, etc. and etc. These are all our thoughts, right? So the more negative thoughts you have, the more you feel your emotions and your feelings starts to rise. You're anxious, you're panicky, and you become fearful. And when you become fearful and anxious, and then you read in the news and the social media that people are hoarding goods and buying toilet tissues, I don't know why, and it propels because you're fearful, it propels you to act in a way, in those anxious way. By going out to buy as well, you follow along and you go and buy a lot of things, you hoard things without thinking through. And when people behave in such manner, they basically let their emotional brain take control of their entire being. It doesn't make sense. It's not logical anymore. If every step you take, you started to imagine all the threats because of your negative interpretation, lots of anxieties and worries will creep into your mind and consume you.